Your dream has been realized with this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Your search stops here with this ideal auto. Purchasing this low-mileage vehicle is a smart choice for the long term. Get there first with a navigation system, and memory settings let you be in comfortable control. Fumble your keys no more with the convenience of keyless entry. This vehicle's leather seats add a stylish touch. With these additional features, these wheels will make an ordinary drive seem extraordinary. Contact us right away and schedule a test drive.